Today we're gonna make Margherita pizza with fior di latte cheese. We normally do it with buffalo mozzarella, fresh buffalo mozzarella, and we think that the buffalo mozzarella tastes little better than fior di latte. I mixed the dough in a stand mixer yesterday and I let it rest for 20 hours. The dough ingredients are 00 flour, dry yeast, water, and sea salt. I added a little salt to the San Marzano tomato. Pecorino cheese, and a fresh basil from my garden. Fior di latte cheese, extra virgin olive oil, stretching the dough, pinching the cornicione, and to the oven. For about 90 seconds. The oven floor temperature is about 850 degrees. The basil still green, and the San Marzano among the fior di latte cheese look really beautiful. Even the olive oil look green and very fresh. That's what's beautiful about cooking the pizza in a very short time. All the ingredients stays fresh.